Yes, this one. Wait, this one. Is everybody here? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 10, I guess, right? Oh no, no, that one.
One person is absent.
Oh, okay then. So everybody's here, right?
Yes.
Okay, we just open the class now, right?
Okay, before we start our class today, it's
Yes.
going
To what? To pray first,
to
right?
pray first. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's pray again.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay, what's up?
Okay. So who is the one who is absent actually?
Moment Zaki.
Oh, Zaki, right? Maybe you can use this one, right? Okay, this one is. Where is this one? Oh, yes, please. Yes. Okay. The second one, right? It's supposed to be the second one. Okay. Thank you, Fadil. Oh, this one first. Okay then. I still remember about our last activity, right? If I'm not mistaken, you are going to practice like this one, the small talk, right? And everybody has met the dialogue, right? Is it? Because you have uploaded your own dialogue here, right? Kalau yang sudah praktis kemarin siapa ya? Sudah ada belum? Ma'ruf and Singgi, right? Okay, actually tonight we are going to learn about something new. That is how to present in English, right? After we learn how to introduce ourselves and then how to have a small talk. And tonight we are going to have a presentation in English, right? But before, sebelum ke sana kita coba lihat ini dulu ya, praktek yang kemarin. Kan baru satu pasangan ya? Really? Only one? Okay. Then we can start from the other. Tapi di sini sih sudah ini ya, sudah coba kita lihat. Sudah saya beri beberapa ini ya, some feedback actually. Okay, this one, right? Have you seen about my feedback before? Not yet. Berarti sambil ini aja ya, practice. So who wants to be the first? The first performance, I guess. Singgi sudah, and then Maruf, right? Okay, so just like this. Roypik is with Fadil. Ro. This one, right? This is for Randy. Roypik, Singgi, and then Salim, right? No, are you Salim, right? Okay, Arya, Davin, and then Maruf, Afan, Alan. Is that you? Salah. Alan dulu ya? Maruf, Randy kan? Oke, Alan. Bener kan? Oh iya, Alfat, Mas Dede, and Fadil. Nice. So who wants to be the next one, I guess? Or maybe if nobody wants to be the next one, then Singgi or Maruf, you can choose someone. Atau kita gacha ya? Gacanya gimana? Pakai spinner aja ya berarti ya? Berarti yang belum, oke. It's supposed to be like start from Roypik and his pair, and then Roypik with Fadil, right? So I'm just input Salim actually. Salim is with Mas Dede, right? Alfat is with. Oh, okay, it's okay. There will be a volunteer maybe, and then Arya. I just put one of your pairs, and then it's supposed to be 5 actually. Oh, Alan, okay. So let's say together. Then the next performance, the second one, I guess. It's supposed to be Alan actually. So Alan and Randy, right? Yes, Mr. Zul, welcome back. No. He won't join with us, right? So Alan is with Randy. Okay, nice. Okay, so this one is your dialogue, I guess. Is it? Randy, right? Okay, you may stand up, I guess. Okay, in count of 3, maybe you can start. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Please, louder. It's great, finally.
Yes, very good.
In what?
Yes, very good. Significant better.
Okay.
And you has been very full.
Very helpful. Even though I encountered the second one, right? Okay.
Even though I
Encountered a view minor. This one, is it? Okay. I encountered a few minor issues.
I encountered you
Minor? It's a minor issues. Okay.
I encountered you issue.
It's supposed to be like minor, yeah? Okay. Next, Alan.
I'm glad. I'm glad to hear that.
Okay.
You know, but this is is our application.
Okay.
I use your application yesterday and I
Okay. And I encountered difficulties.
difficulties by using the sales record feature.
Okay, in using the sales report feature. Next, perhaps
Perhaps we need assistant system for this
we need what? Sorry, we need an.
We need
How do you pronounce this? AI, right? Is it AI? Oh yes, we need an AI assistant system for this feature.
We need to create an AI system
Mhm.
for this feature.
Okay, feature. I understand.
I understand. I understand your role as sales manager.
As sales manager.
I will convey this to our development team to test this feature.
Okay, I will.
Thank you. For
Oh, okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Coba dikonekin ya, berarti. I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Yes, I appreciate it. It's okay, but it's supposed to be like I appreciate it. Oke. Di connect bisa ya. Oke. Next.
We learn from this feature.
Aha.
It will really helpful effort for the user and quickly efficiency.
Efficient, right? Okay, next.
Thank you for your explanation. It really helps us learn better.
Okay, it really helps us. It's supposed to be with us, right? Okay, nice. Baru pertama ya. You may sit down. Apa namanya? Kayaknya nyawanya udah ngumpul tapi ya. Are you like here like 100%? Oke, kita mulai dari yang ini nih. Apa ya? Ini kira-kira ada yang ini nggak ya? Error. Kalau the IT staff is Alan, right? Okay, Alan, can you just read again this one? Wait. Just this part. Start it from here. Where is it? This one. From it.
It's green. Finally,
It's what?
it's green.
It's supposed to be. It's great. Kalau greet menyapa nggak sih kayak memberi salam gitu ya? Greeting to our teacher. It's great, right? It's something like great. Okay. It's great to finally meet you here. To finally meet you. Oke, kita sambil jalan ya. Coba pakai aksen ini. Mau kiblatnya apa? UK atau US? UK. Oh, British. Oke then. Apa? Hah? I heard that British Ciracas. Is it? No, right? Cilacap. So it's great to finally meet you here. Okay. Nah, how's everything at the sales depart? Ini tuh emang gimana? Emang sengaja diputus atau gimana ya? Depart plus spasi man ya? Enggak kan? Yeah, actually it's supposed to be like in the sales department lately. Okay. Nah, kalau I'm glad to hear that, sebaiknya gimana tuh? Speaking of the issues in your opinions, ini bahasa Inggris sih sebenarnya. Namun kalau biar lebih natural, you know what I mean, like apa ya namanya? Natural tuh kayak di kita tuh itu udah bahasa Inggris. Tapi kalau di telinga orang luar tuh kayak ini tuh bahasa Inggris yang jarang digunakan ya. Maksudnya apa ya? You know, when we learn about language, we also have to learn about their culture. Kayak apa ya? Dia tuh emang ini tuh bahasa Inggris kan, kayak misalnya I'm glad to hear that. Speaking of issues in your opinion, what is necessary or unnecessary? Yang kurang natural yang mana nih? So it's supposed to be like what features do you find most, right? Rather than what is necessary or unnecessary ya di sini ya. Mana dia? Yang bagian ini sih. What is necessary or unnecessary? Apa sih apa artinya Indonesia? Apa yang perlu dan tidak perlu gitu ya? Maksudnya apa yang tidak perlu dan perlunya itu adalah fiturnya atau apanya nih? Fiturnya ya. So you can use from the feature first. So like it's supposed to be like just like this. What features do you find most necessary or unnecessary in our applications? Jadi bahasanya lebih apa ya? Sebenarnya sih ini nih dari what is necessary or unnecessary in our application jadinya what features do you find most? Nah, itu tuh apa ya artinya ya? Fitur apa yang kamu most necessary? Yang kamu butuhkan banget sama yang enggak pada aplikasi kami. Di sini aplikasinya tapi di sini nggak ada fitur ya. Tapi sebenarnya fitur. Di kalimat ini there is no feature, right? So I think we have to start from the essential things first. Like feature is the essential, right? you are going to talk about the necessary and unnecessary feature, right? So you can start from there. Alan actually. Memang ini pakai feeling sih sebenarnya ya. Sometimes we must use our feeling when we want to speak, right? Tapi memang itu harus yang udah latihan terus. Karena kalau feeling itu hanya digunakan oleh orang native ketika kita ada yang salah. You know what I mean? Kalau kita sebagai orang yang bukan native, do you know native? Apa? Fadil is the native speaker of Cilacap, right? No. Where are you from, by the way? Oh, Cilacap, yes. So he is a native speaker of Cilacap. So native speaker is like almost there, but it's an accent actually. Kalau logat, native is someone who speaks English as their first language, like the one who lives in UK or US. Jadi native adalah penutur asli orang yang berbicara bahasa Inggris. Jadi emang dari orok dia udah belajar bahasa Inggris ya. Nah itu dia. Berarti tinggal orang yang tinggal di negara apa nih kalau native itu? UK, US, mana lagi? Kanada, very good. Perancis. English ya. Australia, apa lagi ya? Singapore is not native, right? Karena Inggris bukan sebagai first, tapi second. Satu lagi apa? Netherlands, Belanda. New what? Nigeria? No. It's a New Zealand, right? Itu kayak bahasa orang Afrika ya? Apa sih namanya?
Nggak tahu itu. Tapi ya mungkin
Nigeria, right? Oke. Nah, kalau di kita tuh biasanya kalau ada yang error harus pakai thinking. Kalau mereka pakai feeling, karena emang udah dari bawaannya kayak gitu ya. Sometimes, nah ini kalau kita pakai yang kayak gini tuh, feeling mereka agak sedikit ini nih, tersendat ya. When we talk with them, with translation, right? Ini kan maksudnya mungkin apa yang perlu dan tidak perlu ya. Jadi kayaknya you can use like what features do you most necessary, right? And what about this one? I used your application yesterday. Kira-kira yang error apa ya? Bukan error sih, ada yang kurang ya. Dari I used your application yesterday. Ini berarti sesuatu yang sudah dikerjain ya? Kira-kira it's supposed to be what? This one is past tense, right? So it's supposed to be verb to. Which one is verb to here? Use. Use-nya berarti harus pakai ini ya. I used your application yesterday. I encountered difficulties in using the sales report features. Oke, nggak ada masalah. I will convey this. I will convey this to our development team. Ini kira-kira gimana nih? Oh, ini hanya punctuation sih sebenarnya. Oke, it will really helpful. Oke, make our work be easier and efficient. Oke. It will really helpful. It will really helpful. Kira-kira apa ya? Tapi ini sudah bisa dipahami sih sebenarnya ya. Apa namanya? Oke, it will really helpful. Helpful. Apa yang ini ya? Sebenarnya sih ini udah kalau dalam speaking sih udah dimengerti banget ya. Kalau kita bicara sama orang di Indonesia, domestik sama orang dari negara luar, tapi yang bukan dari ini English speaking countries. Karena kan mereka kurang lebih sama kayak kita ya. Kayak menerjemahkan bahasa Inggris itu secara perkata, maksudnya kayak dengan struktur yang bahasa ibunya. Beda kayak Jepang ya. Kalau Jepang itu kan kita mulainya SPOK ya. Mulainya dari subjek kan. Nah kalau mereka dari objek dulu. Nah itu kadang emang susah. You know what I mean? When we speak to Japanese, right? Not Japanese. Apa namanya? Agak susah ngomongnya. Karena kan mulai dari strukturnya, mulai dari kosakatanya. Sorry, bukan kosakata, apa namanya? Hurufnya ya. Mereka pakai huruf apa? Bukan alfabet kan?
Bukan.
Kanji ya? Udah gitu nulisnya dari atas ke bawah ya? Ya nggak sih? Dari atas ke bawah atau bawah ke atas? Atas ke bawah. Nah, dengan segala perbedaan yang sangat signifikan, maka mungkin untuk Jepang kita harus coba sabar sih ngomong bahasa Inggris ya. Bahkan mereka nggak bisa ngomong L. It's kind of hard. Okay. Nah, the last one, it's supposed to be with it really helps or it really help. It's supposed to be like helps us, right? Help-nya kenapa pakai S kemarin? Because this one.
It really.
Thanks for your input. It's supposed to be like helps, right? By using as. Kira-kira kenapa itu? Karena as? As is an object, right? Because the subject is it, right? Kemarin kalau misalnya, ini kan simple present ya. Maksudnya dia itu benar-benar menolong kita merencanakan lebih baik. Berarti kan itu fakta ya. Karena dia fakta, maka dia harus menggunakan simple present. Dan simple present itu kalau subjeknya si he, it, maka verbnya harus tambah s kan? Do you still remember? Like ibu saya pergi. Bahasa Inggrisnya adalah ibu saya pergi ke pasar setiap hari. My mother goes to the market every day atau my mother go to the market every day. Goes ya ditambah es because the subject is only one. Sama kayak it. It ini kan subjeknya cuma satu ya. It ini mengacu kepada apa nih? Application ya? Apa? Application kan? Okay, so because the subject is only one, then the verb must be added with s or es. Oke, apa tadi ya? Nah itu dia. Do you understand why we must add s, right? It really helps us plan better. Okay, nice. I am very waiting for your next level, right? In the presentation mungkin kita pakai aksen ya, udah mulai pakai aksen ya. Presentation in English of course. After this, so now I think we have to invite the next pair. Anybody wants to be the third one, or we just gacha here? Roy pick, I guess, right? No. Salim is with Mas Dede, right? Okay. Okay. This one. Iya, Alan masih dihitung ya? Sorry, salah ya. Okay. Is it your? Okay. So in count of 3, maybe we can start. Wait, where is it? Okay, nice. This one. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good morning, Mr. Dede. How are you today?
How are you today?
Morning, Salim. I'm fine, but I have a question.
Okay.
Oh, what happened, sir? Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Okay, it's okay.
I want to know what the schedule of this new project is like.
Okay.
After I calculate with my team
Mm-hmm.
regarding that matter, I have prepared 3 months for this project,
Mm-hmm.
starting from this month until the end of November.
Okay.
Oh, good. That fits the schedule in our timeline report.
Okay.
Oh, okay, sir. That sounds good.
So how is it? Can the project start this week?
Sure. I will start it this week.
Started this week.
Thank you for your cooperation.
With pleasure.
With pleasure.
You can contact me anytime if you need help.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Nice. Okay. Again, yes, you may sit down actually. Kayaknya emang butuh proses ya ketika kita ingin membaca dulu sih harusnya, baru nanti ini. Mengonekinya itu loh. Kayak misalnya ini, I will started this week. It's part of it, like it started. Oke. Kalau yang di sini sebenarnya ini hanya punctuation ya. Kalau grammar error nggak ada nih, kayak ini punctuation aja nih kayak okay, after I click my team regarding that matter, I have prepared 3 months. Nggak ada yang error ya. Okay. Can you just read again this one? Salim, your part? Sure. I will
Sure, I will start
it this week. Okay. 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 Occupation. Kemarin kita coba menggunakan fourth dalam small talks kita. So what do you use actually? Is it occupation, a family, recreation, or dream? Oh, dream ya. Yang digunakan dalam dialog ini apa? Dream. Okay, which one is the dream? Dream is like our company's goal, right? Or our company's target. Is it dream or what? Regarding that matter, kalau yang ininya sih udah occupationnya sudah membicarakan proyek ya. Oke. Recreationnya bisa menggunakan apa nih? By the way, how was your weekend? Right? Tapi nggak mesti semuanya harus digunakan sebenarnya. Pilih, kalau saran saya sih dua ya. Occupation sama dreams. Kayak lebih ke fokus ke ini ya. Apa namanya? Your company's goal. Okay, nice. I think we have to go to the next one, I guess. Kita shuffle dulu ya. Arya atau Arya aja ya? Enggak. Kalau Ipi kayaknya udah nggak sabar ya. Ya Alfat ya. Oke, Alfat sendiri. Oke. So anybody wants to be the volunteers? Zaki is
Sini lagi ya.
sama aja kan sama punya Zaki ya? Alfat. Oke. Zaki is in what? Is going to somewhere? No. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So it's supposed to be Zaki, right? Anybody wants to be Zaki here? No? It's hard to find. Okay, so Zaki is the client and you are as the IRA staff, right?
I am the client.
Oh, you're the client. Okay. Okay, let me just be the Zaki actually. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and yes, get it. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good evening, Mr. Zaki. How is your day?
Mm-hmm.
Why busy is it?
Good evening. I'm good, and now I'm not really busy because I already finished half of my job this morning.
Wow, that's fantastic. That's not the our project is almost finished. So, we are planning.
Okay,
Wow, that's fantastic.
that's fantastic.
There's no doubt that our
Doubt.
project is almost finished. We are already.
We are already, right?
We are already at the server security stage.
Security.
How is it going?
Yeah, it's going smoothly and there's no troubles until now. Talk about security right now. My team have been installed a new version security systems. It will be finished next week.
Whoa, that's great. By
That's
the way,
great.
What's the name of that new security system?
The name of that security system is Alan. Authorization, logging, authentications, network protection, surveillance. It can access control, layered defense, anomaly detection, and others.
That's the newest and the most advanced security system that ever exists. I'm
Okay.
glad that system is implemented in our project, and I hope it can be tested by the next week.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Zaki, about that.
My pleasure. I hope everything is going well.
Yes, I hope so. See you next week, Mr. Zaki. I'm looking forward for our meeting or testing project.
Okay, see you next week. Nah, oke. Sebelumnya ada ini nggak professional closing sebelumnya, Mas Dede or Alan? Do you have the professional closing in your small talk dialogue? No, because kemarin ini ya. Tapi bisa ditambahin ada yang professional closingnya pakai apa tuh kalau yang tadi? I forget by the way. Baru ingat ketika ada di dialog Zaki dan ini ya, apa namanya? Alfat. Okay. Does anybody know about this one? Because I already finished. No, actually. Bukan ini sih. Apa ya tadi ya? I'm good and now I'm not really busy because I already finished. Oh, ini nih. Finishnya kira-kira harusnya gimana? It's supposed to be like finish set gitu ya? Oke, karena udah it's supposed to be like finished. Kemarin yang dibaca ini ED-nya itu kapan?
Ketika belakangnya T sama
D. Tapi bukan hurufnya, tapi suaranya.
Suaranya, ya.
Oke. Kalau finish?
finish
huruf akhirnya apa? H ya. Berarti kita voiceless. Tadi ini atau apa ya tadi? Oh iya tadi ya. Oke. Now, you are trying to speak like on notes, right? Alpha just now. So just go ahead actually.
Which part?
At the beginning of your dialogue, I guess. Okay, that's good actually. Okay, the last two. Is it the last two? Okay, whether Arya or Roy pick, I guess. Emang Roy pick ini ya. Arya is with Davin. Oh oke. Emang besok. Okay, this one. Are you ready? Okay then. Let me just this one right. Where is it? Where is your dialogue here? Okay, this one. Okay then. In count of 3, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good morning, Mr. David. How's your day? Good morning, Saya. I'm good. How about you? Also, me and my team has been going well. How's everything at the sales department lately? There is improvement in this month. So all customers and then for phone calls and other stuff.
Okay.
What's your new feature that you need from our customer? Make every summarize the report sales. Okay, sounds great. But
Sounds great.
what do you expect from the new feature?
According to my expectation, all customers will be able to easily summarize the different way of submitting each mail.
Alright, we'll get back to you with a draft by the end this week.
Okay.
I think Mr. Arya will be waiting some before we go to.
Okay, nice. Nah ini sama nih, me and my teams. Enaknya gimana ya? Yang lebih natural?
My team,
Yeah, my team and I. My teams and I. Tapi bukan pakai have. Bukan pakai has, tapi have. Because it's more than one, right? If the subject is more than one, then we must use have. My teams and I have been going well. Okay. Kalau saya nggak tahu nih POV dari telinganya native, kalau kita ada agak-agak yang mereka jarang gunakan dalam speaking itu kayak gimana ya terdengarnya ya? Kayak orang bule bicara bahasa Indonesia tapi grammarnya, bukan grammar, apa ya namanya? Grammarnya tuh kayak kita jarang gunakan. You know what I mean? Gimana ya POV kita kalau dengar orang bule? Pernah nggak dengar orang bule bicara bahasa Indonesia? Kayak agak ada. It's kind of weird. Nah, itu mungkin ya. Kayak nggak asing sih maksudnya. Oke. Aneh. Yes. Yes, please. My teams and I. Oke. Nah, ini nih. It's supposed to be what actually? They are needs. Ini kalau bukan aneh lagi sih. Lebih ke gitu ya kata mereka ya. Kira-kira apa nih yang harus kita musnahkan kata-katanya? They are needs. S-nya, terus S-nya dihilangkan ya, karena dia kan pakai they. Tapi are-nya ya, ini are ya. Are, right?
Are disapu.
Oh berarti masih tetap pakai are. It's supposed to be they, yes. So it's just like they need, not they are needs. Kenapa nggak boleh pakai are? Karena setelah subject they itu adalah need, kata kerja. Kalau dalam simple present kan nggak boleh. Kalau setelah subject itu kata kerja ada to be-nya. Kecuali kalau setelah subject kata sifat baru boleh. Contohnya kayak apa? Setelah subject kata sifat. Do you know kata sifat, right? We have learned about it. I mean like, Yes, kata sifat contohnya kayak misalnya beautiful, right? And a diligent or beautiful, handsome. So they are beautiful. Nah itu baru oke nih, pakai are ya. Oke, so it's supposed to be like they need feature to auto apa nih maksudnya? Auto summarize, meringkas secara otomatis ya. Oke, the report sales. Alright. Okay then. Now, without further ado, we have to invite the last but not least, right? Our apa ya? Yang ditunggu-tunggu ya. The awaited one. Mr. Roy Pick and Fadil, I guess. Okay, wait. Where is it? Okay.
Oh, kamu klien?
Loh,
Apa? Manusia.
Roy Pick kayaknya hafal nih, nggak usah baca ya.
Udah terlalu bersemangat.
Oke, Roy Pick or bentar, punyanya ini berarti ini. Siapa namanya? Fadil mana namanya? Oh, this one. Fadil Pras. Oke. Untuk grammarnya sih nanti catatannya for detail you can say from this one, right? Dari masing-masing GCR account. Where is it? Ah, this one. Okay, in count of 3. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good morning, Mr. Khalil. I hope your week has been going smoothly so far. I noticed you've been some issue with the application today. How is it going on your side?
This morning, pretty good. Just kind of busy. Yes, we have some issue with the application takes a long time to load, and sometimes it doesn't show the chart at all.
At all.
I
Okay.
see.
The
What
charts.
happened right before it breaks? Do you usually wake up and button, or just stop responding as soon as you log in?
Mostly
Legend.
stop responding after I try to log in.
Got it.
Got it.
I checked the latest report, and
And it looks
and
looks
it's
looks
like some user experience the same thing.
the same thing.
Can you check the problem, please?
Mhm.
Of course, sir.
Mhm.
I see. Since there is an update
Uh-huh.
for the current
Feature.
update,
Uh,
I know that is your part.
you are bothered.
Yeah, exactly.
By this,
Belum. You're bothered by this.
you are bothered by this.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Exactly. We need to avoid. We need
Delays.
to avoid delays.
Okay. Okay.
Right. We will make sure that this will not happen again in the next update.
Okay, thank you. I know that.
I know that.
You're
I'll know that.
welcome.
Yeah.
I know that.
You're welcome. Uh-huh.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Thanks for sharing. It really helps
Helps us.
us.
It really helps us improve, right? Okay. Nice. Okay, this is the last one. Be careful. Be careful. Okay, this one. I noticed you have been some issue. You have been some issues. What is this? You have been some issue. What is that in bahasa by the way? Yang I not. Oh, kamu punya beberapa masalah.
Di aplikasinya.
Okay, so we just delete bin, right? Kalau pakai bin di ya berarti kamu telah di beberapa masalah. So you just write like you have some issues ya. Kalau pakai bin tuh berarti apa ya namanya? You have been. Misalnya I have eaten artinya apa? I have eaten. Saya sudah makan. I have been eaten. Saya sudah dimakan. Nah itu bedanya lumayan jauh ya. Yang satu aktif, yang satu pasif kan. Jadi been itu kalau di kata kerja dia artinya di. Kalau di present perfect ya ini ya pakai have. Nah kalau ini kebetulan dia bukan kata kerja setelah you ya. Tapi some issue itu adalah apa? Yes. Issue itu kelas kata apa ya? Apakah itu kata kerja issue? Tapi kata benda, benar. Issue itu kayak semacam masalah gitu ya. Oke. So you have some issue I guess. Kayak you have some apple, right? Kita tidak gunakan you have been some apple. Oke. But another one I think you have gone well actually. Ya kan nggak ada yang ini kan? Before it freeze, it's supposed to be with freeze, right? Oke. Berarti nanti aksennya dimainkan di praktis ketiga ya. Kita udah mulai mainin aksen ya. Di presentasi, how to present ourselves. How to present the presentation, right? Our next topic tonight. So are you ready to go to the next one? Ada yang pernah presentasi nggak sebelumnya di sini? Roy Pick, have you been in a presentation before? In bahasa or in English, it's okay. Pernah ya?
Nah,
Where is it, by the way?
ya in school.
Oh, in your school. Oke. Yang Inggris, presentasi Inggris? Alpha, I guess, in your college, I guess? No, not yet.
That's a word.
Oh, in English.
Yes, in English, is describing about describe text like yeah, describe text and presenting.
Oke. Oke, then. That's nice actually. Nah, coba kita lihat dulu semacam apa ya? Bad and good presentation. Tadi suaranya dari sini atau dari sini ya?
TV.
Kayaknya lebih besar TV ya. Good presentation actually. Wait, where is it? Okay, I want you to find these things. Besaran mana ya? TV kayaknya.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to public speaking.
Can you hear that, Maruf? Oke. Oke, kalau bisa berarti ya wes.
Today's first presenter is Ranjit. I would ask everyone to
Ranjit.
give him their full attention. Chantal, could you dim the lights, please?
Oke.
The British imposed a lot of unpopular taxes on the American colonists and didn't let them elect representatives to the British government. In retaliation, the Americans started to boycott British goods. In 1773, Americans in Massachusetts dumped a shipload of British tea into Boston Harbor. This became known as the Boston Tea Party. As punishment, the British imposed laws known as the Intolerable Acts, including the Corbury Act, which made Americans let British soldiers live in their homes. Some of the American colonies created a Declaration of Rights and Grievances, which they sent to Britain, but the British just sent soldiers to the colonies to put down any rebellion. This led to the first battles of the Revolution at Lexington and Concord.
Thank you, Ranjit. I know it's very hard to give a presentation in front of the entire class. Now, would anyone like to offer Ranjit constructive feedback about his presentation?
Okay, before we come to the professors, I mean that the audience will give some constructive feedback, but I'm gonna ask you actually from the Ranjit first presentation. Kalau yang di awal itu kira-kira good or bad presentation? Yang bad, right? So kira-kira apa tuh yang membuatnya menjadi bad presentation? Okay, the first one is eye contact, right? The second one, body language, very good.
And he's not confident.
Okay, good. He's not confidence. It belongs to like body language actually. Jadi body language itu bisa dia kurang confidence, and then smile juga kurang ya. Oke, sudah 3. Eye contact, body language, and then apa lagi tadi?
Juga mimik juga ya.
Oh ya, body language. Oke, selain itu apa ya? Yang non teknis tadi ada kan?
Maybe he's not master the material.
The materials, right? Oke. And then apa lagi? Selain itu, the preparedness, right? Apa tadi yang keluar? Apa namanya? Yang muncul? Preparedness, ketidaksiapan. Yes, his phone is ringing, right? Oke, good. 5 deh, kira-kira apa? Yang keempat?
Too much reading.
Too much reading, yes. Textbook, right? Oke, and then the last one, ada lagi nggak? Udah 4 ya. Yang paling krusial sih emang eye contact ya. Kayak coba kita lihat masukan dari mereka.
Any tips to what you might do differently next time? For example, were you all able to hear what Ranjit was saying?
Not really. He needs to speak louder and face the audience.
Yes.
Okay.
Great suggestion. Anyone else?
He was reading from his paper, so it didn't feel like he was really talking to us, you know?
Exactly. It's important when you're speaking to look up every sentence or two and make eye contact with someone in the audience. Anything else that Ranjit could do to appear more relaxed and feel more confident?
He could smile more.
Yes, smiling makes us feel relaxed. Oh, and make sure your phone is off before you speak next time.
Oke.
I do have one more suggestion. To connect with listeners, it's a great idea to use a personal story or experience as an example.
Oke.
Can you try that next time?
I think so, yes. Next week, my presentation will be about the causes and effects of stress.
We look forward to hearing it.
Oke. The next week.
Ranjit is first up again today, and I look forward to his new presentation. Coffee, could you dim the lights, please?
Good morning. Today I'd like to talk about the causes and effects of stress and how to cope with stress. Stress has many causes, including work or school, life events, changes, or unrealistic expectations of yourself. Some effects of stress include headaches, trouble sleeping, depression, or lack of concentration. I know how hard it can be to deal with stress. Last year, I started working after school to save for college, but I didn't have time to do homework and my grades went down. I had trouble sleeping, I only ate junk food, and I stopped hanging out with my friends. Fortunately, I was able to talk with a school counselor to manage my stress. She suggested that I reduce my hours at my job, eat healthy foods, and get some exercise. So I literally started walking home from school and bringing my lunch. I also asked my teachers for extra help. Now, I feel better. It's important to recognize when you're stressed and to ask for help. Thank you.
Oke.
Great work, Ranjit. I want you all to reflect on how much stronger today's presentation was. Ranjit looked us in the eyes. He spoke clearly. He smiled at us. And he used a personal anecdote to help us feel more connected to him.
Oke.
Well,
Thank you, sir.
Oke. From our four identifications, tadi ada eye contact, ada satu yang dari profesornya katakan, yaitu connection, right? How we can connect or engage the audience with our presentation based on this video. Does anybody know it? How we connect with the audience by giving what? Yes, Alfred? Eye contacts. Okay. But it's the fifth one, right? Pertama tadi ada volume sama voice, di mana voice-nya harus clear ya, dapat didengar oleh audiens, kayak misalnya tidak serak ya kan, terus jelas. Nah itu, kalau volume berarti lebih kepada apa? Ya suara sih, kekuatan volumenya gitu ya. Terus yang kedua apa tadi? Yang tadi tuh yang kelima ini loh, how we can connect with the audience when we are presenting our presentation by giving the smile. Besides smile apa? By giving the personal experience or examples. Kayaknya tuh audience lebih connect ketika kita memiliki personal examples or stories, right? In our presentation, and I hope that nanti akan ada yang menggunakan itu ya. Oke, so sama ini ya. Oke, sudah 5, mungkin kita belajar lebih ke ini. Kalau yang ini kan kayak umum gitu ya, lebih ke college. But now we are in a business presentations, by the way. So this one, coba kita lihat di third meeting, actually this one. Secara sistematis, how can we present our presentation systematically? Oke, pertama nanti kita mulai dari introducing ourselves. Kan kita sudah belajar kemarin itu formal and less formal. Tapi sekarang ada yang formal and informal. After we introduce ourselves when we are presenting, the next one is we have to introduce our topic, right? Do you know what is Ranjit's topic in his presentations? The Ranjit's topic. stress? How to what? Oh, the effect, cause and effect of stress, right? Okay, and then after we introduce ourselves, the topic, and then, nah di sini nih, nah gimana sih biar kita bisa memperoleh people's attention? There are 3 ways or techniques of how to get people's attentions in our presentations. And setelah itu kita bisa structuring, membuat menjadi sistematis atau signposting ya. And dealing the problems. Do you know, kalau yang 5 ini bukan bagian dari struktur presentasi kita ya, tapi biasanya setelah presentasi itu kan ada Q&A ya. Nah, have you ever been in a presentation where in the section of Q&A pernah mendapatkan pertanyaan yang sulit? Kayak from the audience. Have you ever got the difficult questions? And now we are learning how to deal with that. Maksud problems ini lebih kepada pertanyaan susah ya. Kayak kadang pertanyaannya susah tuh bisa di luar konten atau di luar sesuatu yang belum kita kuasai. Nah, and then final reflections. Okay, imagine if you have to give an important presentation in English tomorrow. Itu gimana rasanya ya? Pernah nggak presentasi mendadak? Disuruh presentasi mendadak? Pernah? Oh really? Where is it? In what occasion, Singgi? Dalam
Tugas akhir satu skripsi.
Oh mendadak banget. Skripsi mendadak. Maksudnya gimana tuh? Mendadaknya berapa jam atau?
Apa namanya ganti jadwal tiba-tiba.
Oh suruh
Sama
pembimbingnya ya? Dosen penguji?
Itu kan bebas kan mau kapan. Tapi itu pas hari hari Kamis tuh. Saya minta hari Senin gitu. Tiba-tiba, oh besok aja mas.
Jumat.
Iya hari Jumat.
Oke.
Kurang dari 12 jam sih.
Oh wow. And how would you feel about it? Enak ya? Gimana? Panik ya, nggak bisa dibayangin ya. Oke. Nah biasanya kalau kita udah lagi-lagi materi sih emang ya yang bikin panik ya. Tapi bisa diminimalisir dengan kita tuh bisa bicara dengan sistematis biasanya. Nah, and now we can learn how we can speak like systematically here. But it's more into your business presentation. Tadi apa tadi? Introduce yourself and topic. Tapi itu run well ya akhirnya? Enggak? Yang your thesis presentation, is it running well?
Iya.
Oh yes, iya sih. Kan bisa senyum ya sekarang ya? Enggak, itu udah lama ya? Udah lulus, oke. Oke, this one. Nah, yang pertama dulu, how we can introduce ourselves. If some people in the audience don't know you, then it's very important for you to introduce yourself and your positions. Kalau misalnya formal gimana? Good morning everyone. For those who don't know me, my name's Simon and I work in the marketing department. Nah, ini kalau misalnya presentasinya formal ya, teman-teman. Di sini bisa menyebutkan nama sama posisi, right? Kalau yang cara kedua, hello everybody. Before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly. I'm Reese and I am the head of HR. This is for the formal. Kalau yang informal, hi guys. If you don't know me, I'm Zilvia and I work in digital marketing. Atau bisa juga, hello, I see some new faces, so I'll introduce myself first. I'm Julia and I am one of customer service team. Ada yang mau coba? I hope somebody from my left and from my right and from my left. Ada satu yang mencoba ya. Maruf is my left ya. No. You belong to what? You belong to left, alright? Okay. Does anybody want to try how to introduce ourselves and our positions, whether it is informal or informal? Nobody wants to try? You can just still read. Yes, Arya, you can use your name and your positions, right? Okay.
Good morning, everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Arya, and I work in the backend developer.
Backend developer. Oke, kita pakai coba masukin British accent ya. Good morning everyone. Jadi kayak ada ininya juga sih apa namanya? Apa ya? Intonasi. Good morning everyone. For those who don't know me, who don't know me, My name's Simon and I work in the marketing department. Kayaknya ini bisa digabung ya. And I work in the department. Tadi and I work in the backend developer. Development or developer. Developer. Okay. Good morning everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Simon. My name's Simon or my name is Simon. Yang enak di lidah aja ya. Coba pakai itu British accents. No, actually just like the standard accent actually. For those who don't know me, how do you read this actually tadi? For those who don't know me, itu kalau British kan kayak agak ini ya kalau bicara ya. Do you know British like kalau di film itu apa? Harry Potter. Have you ever watched that? Harry Potter. Kayak gimana? Kayak ini, ada ini ya. Saking gininya, jadi kadang kurang jelas ya. Apa ya? Dalam apa ya? Kayak water jadinya apa? Woa. Never. Nah. Really? Nah itu dia pakai really. Really kan kayak biasa aja harusnya kita ya. Tapi mereka kadang kayak satu kata aja kayak digaya-gayain ya. Really? Nah, coba for those who don't know me, nah ini British Actions Master is coming, Mr. Zul. Oke, ada yang mau coba pakai itu nggak? My right side. Can you just try? This one, the formal settings. Good morning, everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Simon, and I work in the marketing department. Kayaknya udah bisa dihafal ya ini ya, frasanya. Kan cuma diganti ini ya, nama sama ini. Jadi ini merupakan frasa yang sering dipakai dalam formal settings. Yang mana native juga paham sih sebenarnya dalam formal setting seperti itu frasanya. Yang kayak for those who don't know me sama before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly. Before. Kalau yang standarnya adalah before ya. Before. Itu udah British tapi bagian Scotland ya. Jadi di UK itu ternyata terdiri dari beberapa negara ya. Di UK itu ada Scotland, Wales ya. Wales. Apa lagi? Apa? Iya, Ireland. And then kenapa bisa kita kenal Inggris doang? Karena yang paling luas sih daratannya namanya sih Great Britain ya, atau Britania Raya. Nah itu Britain, like the British, right? Britain. Oke. Nah, jadi ternyata antara orang Scotland dengan Wales kalau bicara juga kurang nyambung, padahal mereka sama-sama dalam satu negara ya. Karena itu tadi aksennya ya, lebih kental. Kayak Singgi tadi apa? Yang before. Oke. Kita pakai yang standar lah ya, standar UK. Before itu American banget sih, kayak jelas ya. American tuh cukup jelas ya. Di telinga kita tuh enak banget. Kayak Ranjit itu kira-kira apa tuh? Amerika atau Inggris? Kalau yang Ranjit and Friends? US ya. US accent itu lebih understandable sih di telinga ini. Indonesian people. Dalam spoken, tapi kalau dalam pelajaran di sekolah-sekolah Indonesia itu lebih kepada menggunakan ini Cambridge kan, dimana Cambridge adalah UK. Nah bingung juga tuh pelajarannya UK tapi conversationnya US. Mungkin karena lebih ini aja ya. Oke, does anybody want to try this, the informal one? Tadi yang formal udah ya. Fadil maybe, right? Actually, it's just like hi guys. If you don't know me, I'm Fadil and I work in apa gitu ya. Can you just try? It's so short.
Hi guys,
Okay.
if you don't know me, I'm Fadil and I work in
Apa? Front end. And I work in the technical department. Oke, don't know-nya masih ini nih, lebih ke masih ini ya. Masih Cilacap style, I guess. No. If you don't know me, jadi kayak ada apa ya? Penekanan di mana ya? If you don't know me, I'm Zilvia. No, I'm Fadil, and I work in the technical lead department. Can you just repeat again? Don't know-nya sih masih kental ya. Yang lainnya udah oke.
Hi guys, if you don't know me,
Don't know me.
don't know me,
Don't know me. Don't know me. Oke.
don't know me,
Don't know. Oke. Don't know. Don't know. If you don't.
if you don't know me,
Yeah. If you don't know me. If you don't know me. Yes. Almost there. Come on. You can go again.
if you don't know me,
If
you
you.
don't know me,
Okay. If you don't know me. If you don't know me. Okay. Hey guys. If you don't know me, I'm Fadil and I work in the technical departments. Okay. Udah hafal ya how to introduce ourselves and our positions in the presentations. And now we are coming to how to introduce your topic. Sometimes we have of course a topic in our presentation ya. Tapi kadang ada yang topiknya satu. Nah, kalau yang simple topik atau topiknya satu, kita bisa gunakan ini. Today, I'm going to be talking about our new HR policies and how they affect you. Coba kita ini ya. Frasa yang digunakan adalah yang dari today sampai about. Today, I'm going to be talking about. Nah, itu tuh. Yang digabung yang mana? I'm going to be talking about. Oh, berarti G-nya dihilangin. Talking about. Nah, itu. Yes, exactly. Today, Today, I'm going to be talking about our, apa misalnya topiknya gitu ya. Dicoba yang belum ya. Siapa yang belum? Siapa? Alan, boleh nih Alan. Mainkan Alan ya. Do you wanna hear it again? How I read this? Okay. Today, I'm going to be talking about our new HR policies and how they affect you. Ini nanti disesuaikan aja berarti ya. Today, I'm going to be talking about our new HR policies and how they affect you. Nah, pakai nada ya. Okay, 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, I'm going to be talking about. Ini tadi mainkan nih, kan kalau dalam good presentation kita coba keluarkan voice and volume ya. Oke, coba once again but with a louder voice and volume. 3, 2, 1 and action.
Today, I'm going to be talking about our new HR policies and how they affect you.
It's a bus, oke, nice. Sini, oke. Tapi ini polisi jadinya ya. It's supposed to be policies. It's not policy, but it's policies. Hampir sama sih emang ya. Saya akan membicarakan tentang polisi baru kita gitu ya. What is policies in bahasa, by the way? Ya, kebijakan. HR? Hah? Iya, apa tuh? Iya, berarti saya akan membicarakan tentang kebijakan-kebijakan HR baru kita. Dan bagaimana mereka affect you. What is affect you? Memengaruhi kalian ya, atau kita, atau kamu. Nah, ini kalau yang the second one. Nah, ini frasa yang bisa digunakan selain I'm going to be talking, juga bisa menggunakan. Nah, ini nih. I'd like to talk to you today about. I'd like to talk to you today. I'd like to talk to you today about. I'd like to talk to you today about. Lebih mudah yang mana nih? Pertama atau kedua? Pertama. Tapi ini emang benar-benar formal banget ya. Kayak I would like itu kan. I would like to talk to you about. Today-nya boleh nggak dipakai ya, karena kan itu tidak terlalu default nih. I'd like to talk to you about. Nah, I'd like to talk to you about. I'd like to talk to you about. I'd like to talk to you about. Oke, coba itu dulu deh latihan. Siapa ya? Yes, Alfat, please. Yang ini dulu.
I'd like to talk to about.
Okay, I'd like to talk to you about. Okay, nice. Lanjut.
And why we were out.
Is it we were? This one. Itu singkatan dari we are atau we were? We're, right? And why we're always responsible for it? Okay. 3, 2, 1 from the first one, right?
I'd like to talk to you today about quality control and why we are responsible for it.
Okay, nice. Why we are all, right, responsible for it. Ini enak banget digabung ya. For it. It's supposed to be what? This one. Yes, that's it. It's not control, but it's control. Control. Jadi apa ya? Quality control and why we are all responsible for it. Oke. Tadi sudah ya. Nah, tapi kadang kita menemukan dalam presentasi itu topiknya bisa lebih dari satu kan? Nah, itu seperti apa? Kita bisa lihat. Kita broken into stages kalau we have more complex topics. Nah, ini nih. Nih, how can we read this? I'll begin by outlining the policies, and then I'll go on to highlight what they meant for you and your working habits. Finally, I'll briefly discuss why these new policies are necessary and beneficial. Udah pakai lagu ya kita ngomongnya ya. Udah kayak pakai nada ya. Oke, sekali lagi nih. I'll begin by outlining the policies, and then I'll go on to highlight what they meant for you and your working habits. Finally, I'll briefly discuss why these new policies are necessary and beneficial. Kayaknya jangan lupa tarik napas dulu deh. Kayaknya ini harus satu hembusan napas ya. Tapi nggak selalu gitu sih, harus ada penekanan ya. Berarti kita sudah bicara masalah penekanan, titik koma sih ini penting ya. Anybody wanna try this one? Kalau frasanya sih ini ya, I'll begin by apa misalnya. And then I'll go on. Finally, I'll briefly discuss. Berarti ada 3 ya, 3 topik. Pertama, outlining the policies, and then highlight what they meant for you and your working habits, and then why these new policies are necessary and beneficial. I think Maruf, you can try this one, right? Okay, louder please. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh yes, please. Pakai lagu ya, baca ya. Pakai penekanan maksudnya. Oke.
I'll begin by outlining the policies, and then I'll go on to highlight what they mean for you and your working habits. Finally, I'll briefly discuss why these new policies are necessary and beneficial.
Yes. Tinggal dimasukin cengkoknya ya. Cengkok Britishnya. Oke. So, we can also use the second one. Nah ini nih bisa digabung nih. How can we connect them? First of all, yes, that's nice. First of all, I'll explain why quality control has a broader meaning than you might expect. I'll continue by giving examples, and to finish, I'll ask you to think of ways to incorporate quality control into your work. Okay. First of all, I'll explain why quality control has a broader meaning than you might expect. I'll continue by giving examples, and to finish, I'll ask you to think of ways to incorporate quality control into your work. Anybody want to try? Just read. Davin, you want to try? Oh, yes, Singgi first.
First of all, I will explain why quality control has a broader meaning than you might expect. I'll continue by giving examples, and to finish, I'll ask you to think of ways to incorporate quality control
into your work. Ini kayaknya bisa digabung juga nih. I'll ask you to think of ways to incorporate quality control into your work. Davin, can you please read this one? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and go.
First of all, we have explained what quality control has for meaning that you might expect. I will continue by giving example, and finish. I will ask you to think of ways to incorporate quality control into your work.
Yes, nice. Ini udah mulai oke nih. baik Arya sama Davin sudah mulai ada intonasi penekanan di mana emang harus di situ ditekankan ya. Kayak misalnya first of all, I'll explain and then I'll continue. Kayak ininya jadinya di template structure-nya tuh di bagian ini ditekanin ya. Karena kan ini emang dari poin ke poin tuh harus dinyatakan dengan cukup jelas. So it's when you have more than one topic, so you can use this template structures. I'll begin by apa misalnya, and then okay. Kita udah introduce ourselves and then introduce the topic. Udah bisa digabung nggak? Ada yang udah bisa gabung? Tadi introduce ourselves gimana, Fadil? Good morning, everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Fadil, and I work in the department apa? Department store, bukan kan? And I work in the technical lead department. Today, I'm going to be talking about apa misalnya? Nah itu, udah bisa nggak dikonekin langsung? Oke. Oh ngetik dulu. Boleh ditulis dulu sebentar. Yang semua sih kayaknya ya. Iya kita coba praktek ya. Introducing yourself and your topic first. 3 kalimat atau 4 biasanya nih.
Informal.
Sorry? It's all yours. You can use the formal or informal one. Okay. Yes, please. Oh yeah, I'm gonna share it actually to you to your. Kayaknya di sini aja ya. Can you just upload it from the GCR, please? Alright. Wait, where is it? Wait, I forget how to upload it here. Okay. Just from here first. Kok saya di beranda. Bentar. Beranda dulu. Kita coba. Nah, ini dia. How to give a presentations. Presentation. Business English. Okay. I'm gonna upload the file and you can just directly download it from there. Okay. Wait a moment, please. Just like this. All right. If you want to get the materials, you can download it from the Google Classroom, right? By the title, this one. Okay, I'm so sorry. It's wrong actually. It's wrong. It's supposed to be this one.
No problem.
Udah ada yang download lah. Oke. Tambah link bukan ya? Salah. My mind is not here actually. Okay, this one. How to give. Ya nggak sih? Jangan sampai 2 kali salah nih. Oh bener ya. How to give a presentation in English, I guess. Okay. What about now? Oh, that's right. It's supposed to be this one. Okay. Okay, nice. It's not the correct one actually. You can just refresh it first. Oh, this one. Yes, it's changed into the PDF. The color of my PDF is changed in your laptop? Huh?
No.
The color is like in biru muda jadinya. I thought it was like dark blue. Oke. Wih, Roy Pick udah di luar kepala nih kayaknya. Tanpa melihat PDF-nya udah mendesain ya. Oke. This one is the topic here. Informal settings. Oke. Yes. So you have to combine the two steps. These two steps. Sudah ada yang selesai? Belum? Oh yes, Maruf, nice. Topik. Sampai yang topik ya? Yes, sampai introducing topics. Yourself and your topic. So sampai topik sudah ya? Okay, can I say first? Good morning everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Maruf Salahuddin and I work in the front-end developer. Today I'll be talking about clean code and how this affect. Nice. Okay, nice. I hope you can just read with the connected style and then the punctuations, kayak tanda bacanya di mana harus berhenti dan sedikit berhenti atau berhenti itu kapan dan lain-lainnya. Penekanannya sih yang penting. Okay. Can you just read it first for me?
Good morning, everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Ismail Salahuddin and I work as front-end developer department. Today, I'll be talking about clean code and how this affects the flow of the development.
Okay, nice. Yes, almost there. Are you done? Okay.
Good evening, for those who don't know me. My name is Victor. Today I'm going to discuss our new project. First of all, I'll explain about the project requirement and then I'll continue to review the tasks and finally I'll assign someone
Okay.
new project.
Okay. Sometimes in a business presentations, actually, you are as a presenter, you can just use this one, right? Kayaknya kalau discuss nanti nih pas Q&A ya. So you can use like talking because you are the presenter of your presentations. Oke, ini udah lengkap tinggal nanti. Oh, pakai yang kedua. I'd like to talk about. Berarti bacanya tinggal di ini ya. Punctuation-nya di apa namanya? Titik koma sama kapan harus berhenti, harus kapan berhenti sejenak dan tidak berhenti itu di mana-mana sama penekanannya. Penekanannya. Ini pakai yang topik lebih atau topiknya satu ya? Lebih. I'll continue. Iya, bagus. Yang panjang. Kalau yang panjang bisa, berarti yang pendek biasa biasanya. Oke, nice. My right side. Are you done with that? Done? Okay. For those who don't know me, hello everyone. Okay. Is it formal or informal?
Formal.
Formal?
Formal.
For those who don't know me. Okay then. But I think this is the phrase for the formal, right? And this one is formal. The second one there. Yes. Hello everybody. Before we begin. Okay. What about you, Maruf? Maruf. Raifik, are you done?
Yes, I am.
Yes, nice. Okay, I think everybody is ready. So anybody want to be the first? I think from Raifik, right? Can you? Just like this. Yes. Yes, please. Yeah, you can just just stand up. Okay. Okay. Louder and clear, right? Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good morning, everyone. For this video moment, I'm Rohit, and I work as a lead developer, lead backend developer. Today, I'm going to be talking about our project and what we do for the further development.
Okay. Okay. Wait. And I work as, right? It's not us, but it's supposed to be with as. Bukan as ya. Coba kita cek apakah voice-nya sudah clear atau enggak dari teman-teman nih. Fadil, what is the topic from Roypic presentations? What is he going to talk about? Tadi kedengaran enggak? Nah, itu di bagian ini nih Roypic berarti di bagian topiknya. Apa? Further. Di kelas mana yang nanya further ya? Oh, si ini. Oh, bukan kelas ini berarti. Further itu apa? Artinya? Do you know Fadil what is further? Iya, further is lebih lanjut. Di kelasnya ini nih, Zul kayaknya kalau salah yang nanya ya. Oke. Further, yeah, if you want. Oh, so what is the topic of his presentation? Barometernya kalau dia sudah clear itu orang paham nih. Nah, coba. Berarti nanti di bagian topik ditebelin lagi ya. Oke. Singgi, can you please louder and clear. 3, 2, 1 and go.
Hello everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Singgi Suryakalo, and I work in the software engineering department.
Okay.
Today, I'm going to talk about the progress of the project we have built.
Okay. I'm going to talk about
the progress of the project we have built.
Okay. I'm going to talk about the project that we have built, right?
We have built.
Okay, we have built. Okay, nice. It's only one topic, right? Oh, okay. Tapi agak kurang ini deh, how to build and how. Ini kayaknya ada dua ya. Coba mana ya tadi? I'm going to talk about our apa tadi? Project.
Project we have built.
Okay, we have built. Oke, itu bisa sih sebenarnya. Kalau ditambah N, bisa nggak? Kayak ini kan ada dua ya, jadi new HR policies and how they affect you. Karena memang topiknya hanya satu doang ya, projectnya. Oke. Alright then, sudah terpenuhi semua topik and yourself, and now I think from my life side actually. Anybody want to try? Yes, Maruf, please. Louder, please. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good evening, everyone. For this good morning, my name is Maruf Alfudin, and I work at front-end development department. Today, I'll be talking about clean code and how this affects your flow of the book.
Okay, nice. That's all. Okay. Last one, I guess. Anybody want to try? Nanti kita yang fullnya ya setelah ini ya. Yes, please.
Good evening everyone. My name is Mita.
Ulangin. Eye contact kalau bisa ya. Kayak Ranjit tuh kan yang the second one pakai eye contact ya.
Good evening everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Mita Fatullah. Today, I'd like to talk about our new project. First of all, I want to break down our new project and then finally.
Okay, it's okay.
Today, I'd like to talk about our new project. First of all, I will explain about our new project. And then I will continue to break down the task. And finally, I will assign someone to do this new project.
Okay, nice. Main ini ya, udah masuk ke more complex topics ya. Agak ini sih memang. Mainnya suka main gak aman nih kayaknya ya. Alfat ya. But that's nice actually. You try the hardest one, and then kalau udah yang hardest dicoba, biasanya yang lebih mudah tuh enak ya, menyesuaikan. Okay, I think for our next meeting, because time's up actually, we are going to talk about how we can get people's attentions. So we have 3 techniques, and you can read first in for our next meeting, right? Okay. Bisa dibaca di sini tekniknya gimana getting people's attentions, but we will talk more about it in our next meeting actually. But our next meeting is supposed to be like next week, right? Okay. Is it okay if we just have like this still this week, but in different day, like on Friday? What do you think? Can you go with that? Friday. You have an agenda. Yes, Davin. You have an appointment? You have an agenda? Oh, you okay then? Oh, you have a futsal here, like Fadil, at 9 or at what time? At 9 p.m. Here, or is it far from here? Like the venue is far from here? No. Okay. Ya udah berarti kalau nggak bisa next week aja deh ya. On Monday. What do you think? On Monday, right? Yes, I don't know why. For the last 3 weeks, for the last 3 Mondays, we have, I don't know, we have rainy things actually in my area. For the last 3 weeks, for the 4 actually, ya nggak sih? We miss 4 Mondays actually. 3 karena hujan, 1 karena cuti, ya. Tapi nggak tahu kenapa selalu Senin malam ya. 3 kali berturut-turut ya. Tapi Selasa, Rabu, Kamis itu aman. Hujannya agak sore, agak siangan. Oke. Oh lagi. Kayaknya sih, karena udah 3 kali, lebih dari 3 kali itu udah lumayan ini ya. Lumayan bisa dipatenin ya. Oke. Alright then. I hope no actually. Okay. So maybe you can just contact me if you are able on Friday, but it's okay if you can't. Just on Monday. Just pray that it won't be raining for the next Monday. Okay, everyone. Thank you very much for your attentions. Do you have any questions before we go? No, right? No. If you don't, then that's all. Yes, Fadil. Give me the question, please. No.
Aku ini question aja ya.
Okay, please.
Jarang lihat
Ayat. Jarang lihat, jarang dengar ya. Oke, ayat. Karena apa? Ada yang tahu jarang dengar? Itu singkat dari I dan would ya. I'd like to. Karena memang jarang kita gunakan. Kita menemukan itu biasanya di setting formal setting, right? Okay, this is very formal and polite. things actually. Jadi ternyata bahasa itu ada levelingnya ya. Ada yang polite aja, ada yang polite dan maksudnya ada levelingnya. Ada yang casual, ada yang setengah casual, ada yang polite. Nah ini mungkin karena I'd like, so you can start from I'd like. Itu udah di ini sih. Itu kebetulan frasanya dari orang native yang buat. Jadi emang itu udah paten bagi mereka itu bahasa yang sangat-sangat baku ya kalau di kita ya. Bahasa Indonesia yang baku tuh gimana ya? Nah itu I'd like to. Itu kan kalau yang biasanya jadinya apa? Ada yang tahu nggak? I'd like to. Kalau yang biasanya I want to, right? I want to, right? I want itu kayak biasa aja. Kalau digunakan di sidang PBB itu kayak ini mah kayak nggak menghargai banget. Jatuhnya sih kayak nggak menghargai audiens yang bener-bener. Biasanya kalau PBB itu kan pesertanya kalau nggak raja, perdana menteri ya kan, atau utusan apa namanya? Utusan apa? Nah itu biasanya bahasanya perlu bener-bener harus polite and formal. So I'd like to bisa jadi karena jarang berada di situasi yang formal nih. Karena jarang dengar, tapi kalau untuk di formal setting itu sering bakalan terdengar kok. So start from now, you can use that one. Kayak si Alfat udah menggunakan I'd like ya tadi ya. Kalau sebelumnya I'm going to ya. I'm going to be talking ya. Like Singgi and you. Are you using I'm going to? Oh yes. Okay, I'd like to. Is that all? Is there any other questions? No? Okay then. Thank you again for your attention. And if you don't have any more question, that's all. And at last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. All right. You are welcome, Alfan. Lanjut.